Good morning. Day 3. It's becoming harder to track these things. It's funny how civilization kind of falls off even after just a few days of being out the loop. Today is an off day because yesterday was hard and my body still hurts. So it's only, I think, 55 kilometers, something like that, 60, and it looks relatively easy. But we're doing some cool stuff today. Salisbury Plains, Stonehenge, and hopefully some more great views. But those are the two big ones. And then we're staying at the Stonehenge campsite tonight, which is just off the A303. The last time I bikepacked Stonehenge, I cycled down the A303, which was the biggest mistake I've probably ever made in my life. That was absolutely terrifying. I wish I'd scouted the route better, because there is in fact a nice gravel track. So yeah, we're going to do that today the safe way. Just had a nice breakfast up in Marlborough. Now we're leaving Poston Hill through the outskirts of Savernake Forest and heading towards the Salisbury Plains. And one thing we've got to check is whether there are military exercises going on in the plains. So they fly these red flags around the perimeter, and if the red flags are up, then obviously you can't go in unless you want to dodge like mortar shells and artillery and have people shooting at you. I'm good, so we'll have to check that. I did look on the MOD website, but I wasn't sure which part of the plains I was going through, and there's lots of different sections of it with different like permissions, I guess. So I'm just going to follow my route. If I see a red flag, I'll have to find a detour. What could go wrong? In the next video, I'll be staring down the barrel of a tank. Sorry guys, my bad. Let's see. Huh. Why does this always happen to me? Oh wait, look. Hopefully there's a path through there. Ow! Stinging nettles! Fuck! Oh shit, there's more! How is it that in the space of 2 weeks, every single trail in the country is just suddenly overgrown with stinging nettles? It's literally 2 weeks. Amazing. It's the one part of summer I always forget about and that I really hate. Oh yeah, more of this. I don't think it's ever going to get old, honestly. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be an absolute scorcher, I think. I've already put on 2 layers of sun cream. I put on about 6 layers yesterday. I've still got a red face and knees. Oh well. I've never seen so many thatched houses in one place, ever. Well, thatchers around here must make an absolute fortune. There's another one. Been a very mixed bag today so far. Had some road, some gravel, some forest tracks, and now some very badly overgrown double track. Even been across a few farmers' fields which were incredibly bumpy, so I couldn't film. So one downside without not bringing my chest mount for my camera is that I can't really film any of the really cool descents. And there's been some good ones on this trip so far, but kind of need both hands on the bars for that. So this trail, this whole trip probably seems a lot more mellow than it has been, because yeah, all the really fast downhill stuff is just not being shown, sadly. But it is here and it is fun. One of the joys of off-road riding is when the footpath you're following turns into a literal bog. My feet are soaked. Luckily I got waterproof boots and my wheels are nice and clean now, so it's like good and bad. Alright. Someone very wise once said that if a shortcut was easy, it would just be the way. And after coming through that shortcut, I'm 100% agreed. Okay, there's a pub coming up soon. I'm going to stop there. It's going to be good. So much for an off day, eh? That elevation graph has been bred for most of this ride so far. My poor leggies. Yeah, definitely should have spent a bit more time on today's route in the planning phase, because there's just been lots of what look like decent footpaths or bridleways have just been like boggy, marshy, overgrown messes. So taking a detour down some gravel tracks and I'm back on the route now. Unfortunately it's put me on some very steep climbs. That mystical pub is fast approaching, I hope. We'll see. Have a day off, he said. Have a relaxing ride so that your legs can recover, he said. What an arsehole. Picked the hardest route so far. Okay. Plus side though. So yeah, it's not all bad. Only another 3 kilometers of this and then that magical pub. Oh yeah, back on some gravel. Never thought I'd be so happy to see a gravel road, but here we are. Back on the road. I thought I'd capture this insane vista before I continue. Looking forward to some road for a bit actually. Don't see that every day, do you? I'm guessing this is quite close to Salisbury Plain then. I haven't honestly been paying attention to if there's any red flags. I haven't gone past them. Oh well, I haven't been shot yet, so that's good. I'm not sure if that's a red windsock for some kind of airfield or if it's a red flag saying don't go this way. I'm going to assume it's an airfield because I think that's a control tower over there. I can't tell. Anyway, like I said earlier, I'm just going to carry on and hope I don't get shot. Da, 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 da. Oh, now we really are going to get shot. So I'm guessing and I want to make sure this guess is a good one because I don't want to get shot. There's a flag over there, there's a flag here, so I'm guessing we can't go that way, but we can go that way. That's what I'm assuming, that's what I'm going to go with. This may be my last transmission. Yeah. Detour life. I'm just going to keep going this way. I can't hear any explosions or anything. A couple of truck transports did go past me earlier. They disappeared before I could get any video of it. So yeah, they're doing something. Who knows what? Well, hey, this is quite a nice gravel section. We'll just follow this. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but there's smoke coming from over there. So something's going on. Can't tell if that's just a tank going down a gravel track that's disturbing all the dust, or whether something's actually like target practice or something, something's been hit. Hard to say. But yeah, glad I'm not over there. Following the red flag boundary still. Salisbury Plain is big. This is probably going to be a massive detour. This day is going to end up being the same length as all the others. Hello, hello. Last time I was here it was sunset. It took me 12 hours to bike it. Yo, just crossed the A303 after Stonehenge. Literally waiting 15 minutes by the side of the road for a gap big enough. Absolute chaos. I don't know what way people are supposed to go if they're not in cars. It's just shit. No wonder they want to build a tunnel. Everyone's probably complaining that they can't cross the road. Alright, so now it's in the Stones, full of tourists. I recommend going at sundown because when I was there was literally no one there. Apart from two security guys with drones. Don't know what they're doing. But yeah, and it looks cooler as well. So we're going to Stonehenge campsite now. It's only a short distance from here. Wait one sec. And then, yeah, we're going to pitch our tent and then I'm going to find a pub. I hate the way they always all look at you. Friendly? Okay, everybody chill, everybody's chill. Yeah, look, we're all chill here. No one needs to attack anyone. Hooray, we live. We live to pedal another day. And now, spend the rest of the day not doing much at all. Speaking of rest of the day, what time is it? 4:15, so that's not bad. Alright, we're here. Henge campsite. I got here about an hour and a half ago. I just had a bit of a chill. And the pub across the street is about to open. I'm going to go over there and spend the evening eating an extreme amount of food because I'm starving. Yeah, it's a nice place. This is where I came last year as well when I did the Century to go see Stonehenge. So yeah, it's nice to be back. Alright, to the pub. See you tomorrow.